Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in this Allosun Voltage Detector GK7. All right, so if you look at the top, you'll see there's this a black top, and you see it's got an on position here, on, off, and then it shows like a little bit of a maze-like thing there. So what you have to do to get the cap off is you got to push it and then turn it, and then the cap comes off. If you look, you'll see that there's like a channel in there. So if you notice, when you do that, notice the way the batteries are. So you see the positive terminal up, you need that so when you change it. So let's go ahead and let's set that down. Let's get rid of these batteries, right? These are the bad ones. And I'm gonna get, I gotta get 2 new AAA batteries is what I need, okay? So I got a couple over here. Let me grab them. Okay, I got them. All right, so remember, we're going to put them in negative side down, okay? Negative side down. So negative side goes in, AAA batteries. These are Duracells. They're supposed to be the best. And then you got to find that little notch on there. And then you got to kind of match it up with that little notch there, like this. There we go. So you got the 2 notches and the channel matched up, and then you're going to push it down and just twist it over. There we go. And now we can test it and see if it works. So let me just show you the name of this. Here's, if you read it right there, that's the voltage tester, and it's the GK7, and it's made by a company called Allosun. And you can get these on Amazon, or you could probably buy them at Walmart too, I guess. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. All right, so here's our tester. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little pressure on it, and I'm gonna stick it right inside this little thing here. Bam, so that's telling me that it's working. Okay, so what I do is I kind of push on it a little bit, like that. Make sure I got a good contact, and I got electricity. If I go over here, you see nothing, right? Nothing on that. If I plug that in, I would see something. Let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to plug it in over here. And then let's see if we get electricity on there. I'm going to go over here closer to the thing. See? Watch. So that definitely works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.